Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. I'm your computer teacher and today we are going to learn about Microsoft Paint. Okay, the topic of your class is Let's Paint, which is Unit 5 of your course book, and the reference page number is 44 to 50. Okay, what is Microsoft Paint? We know that Microsoft Paint is a program. Microsoft Paint is a fun type program, you say, that through which you can use to draw and color anything which you like. Clear? We know that Microsoft Paint is a fun type program through which we are able to draw and color anything which we like. Okay, in this lecture, in this class, you are able to learn about how you start a paint, what are the main components of a paint window, and then you learn about that how you close your paint, like how you close your drawing, how you save your painting, how you start a new drawing, and also you are able to learn about that how you can open an already existing document. Okay, so let's start with starting a paint. How you start a paint. For this, you have to begin with to press on start button. First step is you have to click on this start button, and uh, and then you have to select the all programs option. Clear? First step is you have to click on start button, then you click on all programs. When you click on all programs, these type of options will be displayed. You have to select accessories. When you select accessories, like when you click on accessories, further these options will be displayed. You have to select on paint. Clear? So there are three steps which you have to follow to start a paint. First is click on start button, choose select all programs, then select accessories, then find the paint option, and then click on this paint. When you click on paint, this type of paint window will be displayed. Here, this is known as a paint window. And in paint window, there are two main parts. Clear? In paint window, there are two main parts. First one is drawing area. Like this is your white blank area is your drawing area. Here you draw or color anything which you like, and this is your second component of a paint window, which is ribbon, in which all these options, all these tools, colors, shapes, all these options will be displayed. Okay, so there are two main components of a paint window. One is ribbon and the other is drawing area. Here you also find in ribbon you also find different groups, like this is your color box, your color group. Here you choose a color, and this is your shapes group. Here you choose a shapes which you want in your drawing. This is a tools group. Like in this you can use different tools like pencil tool, brushes tools. These are the different tools options here which will display on your ribbon component. And this is your home button of paint window, and this is your paint button. Clear? Okay, now let's move towards how you close a paint. Once you are done with your painting, you have to close it, and for this you have to click the paint button. You have to click on paint button or a file button. Clear? When you click on this paint or a file button, you can see an options will display like this. Here at the end of this window you can find an exit option. When you click on this exit option, your paint window will be closed. Clear? Okay, the next thing is how different tools which you are used in a paint, like pencil tool, brushes tool, and line tool. In a ribbon component, they I also explained you earlier that this is the tools group. Like here you can use different tools. Clear? Yes. Okay, the next thing is saving a document. Clear? How you can save your document? For this you have to first click on your file button, and then you have to click on save. When you click on save, this type of dialog box, this type of box will appear. From here, in file name you can write your file name, and then you have to choose your required required folder where you want to save your drawing in, and then you have to click on save, and then your paintings will be saved. After that, if you want to start a new drawing, for this what you have to do, you have to click on file and then click on new. When you click on new, your new paint window will be appear, and you can start with your new drawing. The last thing is how you can open an already saved document. For this you also have to click on file. Here you find a second option of open. Clear? You have to click on this open, and then you can choose the required folder where from where you can open your document. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a paint video, so all these things will be more clear to you, that how you can perform all these things practically. Okay, how you use different tools. So using tools in MS Paint. I explain you there are three types of tools which we usually use. First is pencil tool, brushes tool, and line tool. Clear? How you can select pencil tool? For this you have to click on this pencil tool. See, it will be selected. Okay, and you use a pencil tool to draw both straight and curved lines. Clear? It like जैसे भी आप बनाना चाहते हैं. Okay. In the tools group you have to click on pencil, then your pencil tool will be selected, and then in the color group, this is your color group, you have to choose a color of your pencil. For this you have to first you have, if you want you first have to click on color one, and you can choose from different colors which you want. For example, I want this red color, and in color 2 you can choose your if background color. For this, again you have to first click on color 2 and then choose any color from here. For example, I choose this blue color. Clear? And then you have to after choosing color 1 and color 2, you have to also set your thickness of the pencils. Like click on this size button, and you find different size options. Like if I choose this one, then it will be more thick. After that, you have to draw on this drawing area. Okay, the second tool is brushes tool. Brushes tool will be on this here on your ribbon component, and when you click on this ribbon tool, you can find different um, styles of brushes according to their different appearances and textures. You can choose any one from this, and which you want. For example, all of these have some special, it's some different appearances. Clear? So you can choose anyone from brushes tool which you want. Okay. Okay, so look at this. These all have different appearances and textures. You can choose any one from these brushes tools. Clear? And then you have to also choose the colors which you want, color 1 or color 2. and then in the drawing area you can use these brushes to draw anything. Clear? And if you want a color 2, you also do select color 2 by right click. You can right click and draw. For example, now if I draw with color 1, I use left. Clear? And if I draw with color 2, I choose right click. Clear? Then we have line tool. We can use the line tool to draw a straight line or draw a straight line. For example, this is a line tool. In shapes, you can choose a line tool, and we can choose use drawing. You can use line tool for drawing a straight line. Clear? And we also select the thickness of this line by click on this size button. Here you see different size options. Clear? So from this we can adjust the thickness of the line. And if in line tool we also choose different colors, color 1 and color 2, uh, according to your likeness. Okay. And after that, the next thing is, once you're done with your drawing, you have to save your drawing. For this, you have to click on this file button. Clear? You have to click on this file button. Here you find an option of save. You just have to click on save. When you click on save, this box will be open. Here you can in file name you can write your name of a file. For example, I write it here, uh, painting. Clear? And then you have to choose a location where you want that your file will be saved in. For example, I want that it will be saved on pictures. I choose the picture folder, and then I just click on save. Then now my drawing will be saved. Okay, so we learn that how we save our drawing. Okay, the next thing which if we want a new drawing, okay, if we want a new drawing page, then what we have to do? We just have to do like we have to click on this file button. Here you find a second option. First option, new. Click on this new. You see that your new paint window will be open. Now you have to use it for your drawing. Okay, the next thing is I also told you that you're also able to learn about how you can save your existing painting, how you can open your existing painting. For this, you just have to click on this file button. Here you see a second option of open. When you have to select this open option. Once you click on open option, this type of open dialog box will be appear. For example, I want a painting which I already save in this. Okay, I want a painting which I already. I want this home drawing to be open. I have to click on file and then open, and then this box will be open. From here you can find your file which you want to be opened. Here, for example, I want to open this home drawing. I just click on this will be selected, and then click on open, and you see that my this already saved, already existing document will be appear. So this is all the things which we uh, used in MS Paint. Okay, I hope all of you can understand all these things, and now it will be more clear to you.